Welcome my darlings, I am C and this is ceejdiy. Today I got super easy, very low on a budget thrift flips for you and I'm gonna show you how I transform them. For the first flip, I found this vintage heart cone wall decor for like couple of dollars, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna remove that hook that it's on top so I can paint it. With these thrift flips today that cost me less than $10 total, I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful home decor with a French style, and we can use it for Valentine's or we can have it in our home during whole year. It took me a while until I removed the hook from the top of the wall cone, and now I'm gonna fill out the hole that hook was holding, and I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and after that I'm gonna cover it with the ink chalk paint. When it's all nice and dry, I'm adding a white chalk paint heavy dry brush until it's all fully covered. When it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna be adding one of those IOD transfers, looking into them and see which one is gonna look the best on our cone. After I choose the one that I like, I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna apply it on my cone. I got those IOD transfers from My Victorian Heart. I can have her link on my description box if you like to purchase them. And I really love IOD transfers. If you're watching my channel, I have been using IOD transfers a lot throughout my projects. As you can see, I always have a hard time choosing which one is gonna look the best on my cone. And I think this Le Jardin rub-on transfer is gonna look perfect for our cone. Those transfers are so easy to be used. I'm just adding it on top, and with a scraper, I'm just going all over the design and the letters until it's all fully applied. And that's it, simple as that. We have a beautiful French vibe wall scones today. It is so hard to see because it's all white and light. I also added a lace ribbon on top of it on the edge, and now I'm just distressing it with a sander a little bit so we can have that ink paint peeking through and get a French vintage vibe on our piece today. After I distress it like I wanted to, I'm using a wipe to clean it off, and I'm adding a soft touch top coat on my piece. And now I'm decorating with these 2 branch greeneries that I got in my crafting stash. I usually get my greeneries from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's, whenever I can find them on clearance. And I think it's gonna look super cute, not just for Valentine's Day. We can use pieces like this as a everyday home decor. Here is before and after look, and I think it looks super cute. Give me your thoughts. Today I am so excited that I'm a part of Love is in the Air challenge hosted by my amazing darling friend Anna from the Grace Life DIY, and she asked me to host with her, and beside me and her, hosts are Buckeye Girl Decor and Life, AmethystAdventures, Courtney, At Home with Lisa, Annalee's Cupboard, DIY with Aurea, Jacque Russell Creates, and guest host today is Connie's Creative Creations. All links from all these amazing ladies are in my description box, along with the amazing playlist with so many talented creators. And after you're done watching my video, you know where you're going next. For the next flip, I'm gonna be using this heart sign, vintage heart sign. I only paid $2 for it. After I clean it well, I'm applying a black chalk paint. When it's all nice and dry, I'm adding a French linen folk art paint from Plaid, and I'm just gonna cover the whole piece with a brush. Doesn't need to be perfect, even if that black is peeking through. We want to make it with that French country vibe, and it's gonna match with my other piece that I made today. Now that it's all nice and dry, for extra embellishment, I'm gonna be adding a heart-shaped cutouts from Dollar Tree, and I think with those cutouts, it's gonna bring such a cute detail on our piece. And as I said earlier, not just for Valentine's, this piece can be used as a everyday home decor, and I think it's gonna look super cute. Adding those 3 cutout hearts on those 3D hearts on the sign looks like we bought this piece originally just like that, with those 3 cutout hearts. I love it. Now that the hearts are on a perfect place, I'm adding a IOD transfer. I choose this beautiful print, and with a scraper, I'm just gonna apply it until it's all fully transferred on my sign. To seal my sign, I'm adding a soft touch top coat, applying all over. And for the last touch for this piece, I'm gonna be adding some greeneries inside of one of those hearts. And that's it for this flip. And I show you for only $2 how I made something from trash to treasure. And I really love it, and it can last for ages now. And here is the before and after look. Give me your thoughts. I found those beautiful wooden heart-shaped baskets. First, I didn't know what they are because they look like a coasters to me, and I thought I'm gonna do something with them. But then when I brought them home, and I only paid $5 for them, when I brought them home and when I start opening them, then I realized those 2 are baskets. And I didn't want it to ruin them. I didn't want it to add some paint on them. So after a very deep cleaning, I'm just gonna show them to you how they look, and I just left them as they are. I found a similar basket at Amazon, and they're selling them on sale for $35. And I never knew that those 2 pieces were baskets. We can use them as a decorative piece. We can add some fruit in it, or we can add it in our kitchen, or we can just use it as a Valentine's Day decor. And I love how they look. They're beautiful wooden piece. I love that, all that details with the wood art. And that's it. Look how cute and beautiful they look. I'm surprised. I got a score for $5, just both baskets, and they're selling them for $30-some each. I think I have a big score for those 2 baskets. Today was a quick and easy video. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy transforming all those trash to treasure finds and a big score on some of them. And I hope I give you lots of inspirations for you to visit your local thrift store and find some beautiful pieces that you can remake or resell or do whatever you like. And my darlings, before I let you go, Anna, my darling, thank you so much for inviting me to this amazing collab. I had so much fun. And to all those amazing ladies in the playlist, I love you all. And my darlings, don't forget to check out the playlist with all those links and show them a lots of love. And I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.